You want to replace the earpads on your Logitech G733 headphones. My name is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. In today's video I'll show you how to install them and the differences between the earpads that we make and the earpads that come with your original headphones. So let's start the video. Alright, so let's start. To remove the cushions, it's going to be very simple. By the way, I do recommend doing it one side at a time because nowhere on the headset does it tell you which side is left or which side is right besides the inside of the cushion. So I'm going to start with the left one. And for today's video, I'm going to be using our 90s black WC freeze cushion. If you want to hear more about them, stay to the end of this video and I'll tell you a little bit more. So the way you're going to install this is the same way you removed it. There is a backside lip on the cushion itself. I don't know if you can see it right here. And that lip goes inside this gap right here. Okay? So the way I like to start is I try to start with the corner, get some of the lip in, the corner and the top. See how I did it right here? It's inside. Then with your other finger, with your other hand, you're going to hold it inside, and with your free hand now, you're going to simply guide it by holding the cushion from inside. You're going to simply guide it into the gap. And then you do the same on the other side. Don't be afraid to stretch it. The cushion is very durable. And once you got most part in, the rest is just going to follow. Here it is, and it is in. Oop. Now let's remove the other side. Get the right side cushion. Again, start from the corner and the top. Got some of it in. Flip it, force it in. Like that. Oh, the top escaped. Sometimes it escapes. And that is it. I know I made it look easy because I did this 1,000 times, but at first it could be a little annoying, but trust me, you can do it. Just don't be afraid to stretch the earpad. It's very durable. So, as you can see, these are our 90s black WC freeze cushions. So the main difference, if you know our WC freeze, is that they are made with cooling gel. A layer of cooling gel at the top of the cushion and a layer of cooling gel inside. On top of that, if you notice, this is the ear opening of ours and this is the ear opening of the originals. Ours, it's much bigger for bigger ears and the thickness is thicker than the original. If you want to try these out, simply click at the link at the top right corner right now or in the description below and let me know what you think. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.